Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Begin with basic shapes to represent major landforms. Use triangle for mountain, long rectangles for field, and lines for the horizon. Define your shapes with layered lines. Short lines suggest texture like grass, while long strokes show order. Divide your landscape into sections. Use thicker line in the foreground and lighter line for background elements as regards. Play with the direction of your lines. Vertical lines suggest all elements like trees, while horizontal lines don't forget the negative space. The space between your lines can define shapes like clouds or bodies of water. A beautiful landscape here. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Thank you for watching.